Foodi DualZone Air Fryer, the best dual basket air fryer on the market in 2025. This fryer is capable of doing two tasks at the same time and with completely different foods. You'll no longer have to dirty a lot of dishes to make a stir fry. This model is made of very resistant material, so you can forget about rust and deformation forever. The device gives you the option of choosing up to 6 cooking modes. You can also dehydrate fruits and vegetables to preserve them for months without losing their nutritional properties. The capacity of both baskets is very large, which allows you to cook hearty meals for family or friends. Don't worry about portions and timing, as the device can cook up to 4 pounds of whatever you want between 105 and 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Thanks to the intuitive screen, your food will hardly burn because you'll be able to choose the correct temperature, and the fryer will respond with completely even cooking without your intervention. Plus, it comes with 15 premium recipes to test out all of its innovative features. The fryer has the ability to prepare 2 different foods at the same time thanks to the Smart Finish DualZone technology function. This technology intelligently manages cooking so that both foods are finished at the same time. It's made of highly resistant materials that guarantee durability and quality. With 6 functions in one, that is, you could easily and quickly fry, bake, grill, reheat, and dehydrate, it has a higher price compared to traditional fryer. But don't worry, because it's really worth it. It has a large capacity for preparing portions for the whole family. With a wide temperature range and cyclone fans with fast heaters, your food will be ready in less time. It works great. A big thumbs up from here. Just a quick note, if you're interested in any of the products, I've gone ahead and updated the description below with links to get you the best deals available right now. So make sure to check those out for the most current prices and offers.